Dr. Srinath Reddy, we're so happy to meet you here in this conference.
Pleasure to meet you.
It's a pleasure meeting you here. I have a question in my mind.
Yes, please.
It's about how do you connect? I mean, this is an unusual area. How do you connect the gut with the environment, with health, with environment? And what's that connect? Something that you're very aware of.
Well, firstly, our gut health is a major determinant of human health.
All right.
And we know that the environment is also something that both determines gut health and through that our human health.
Human health.
Because unless you have a soil health, unless you have plant health, which translates to animal health and human health by the nature of food that we eat, and particularly the diversity of the plant foods we eat, we are not going to have gut health.
Right.
Because our gut microbiome depends upon a variety of plant foods for the kind of fiber diet we get.
Okay.
So firstly, our gut health depends on the environment. And our environment determines the gut health, like, for example, the water quality, the air pollution, all of that actually determines also our gut health.
Absolutely.
But there's one other factor. If you're really talking about millets, as this particular conference is talking about, millets are absolutely the most important among the crops for being water conservative, land conservative, and energy conservative. So we need, in this era of climate change, when climate change and global warming are going to reduce the quantity of crop yield production, as well as the quality of the nutrients in the crops, we need crops like millets, which actually do not depend too much on water, which can actually ensure that they do not consume too much energy, they're not dependent on chemical pesticides, and therefore they help also fight climate change. They're climate resilient. Just to tell you what climate change does to crops, like wheat and rice. We are already growing wheat and rice in India, South Asia, and Sub-Saharan Africa at the peak level of temperature tolerance. For every 1 degree centigrade rise in temperature, we will have a 10% decrease in the yield of rice and wheat. More important, we'll also lose quality of nutrients. We'll lose iron, we'll lose zinc, we'll lose protein. We'll have millions of people in India by 2050 with iron deficiency anemia, zinc deficiency, and protein deficiency.
My God.
Now, if you take millets, you're obviously going to be conserving water, reducing climate change because it doesn't involve global warming to the same extent, and you are actually going to have a climate smart agriculture.
Wow. Climate smart is quite a key word, actually.
Yes. Wow. Because climate resilient is you have to withstand the climate change, but climate smart is you should protect the climate from deteriorating by conserving energy, conserving water, and ensuring that climate is not hurt by our agricultural systems.
What a connect you've made between the gut, millet, and the environment.
Yes.
Thanks a lot, sir.
Welcome.
What a pleasure.
So from gut health to global health.
Gut to global. Yes.